Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to properly fix an object in Photoshop using the clone stamp tool. In this video, I will explain the correct use of the clone stamp tool step by step, so that you can repair any damaged or cut part of an object in a natural way. First, we will try the method that most people usually use. That is filling the area using patterns. After that, I will show you my tested and easy workflow, which gives much cleaner results. For this example, I have taken an apple that is slightly cut. Inside Photoshop, we will properly fill and repair this apple with a completely natural look. Nowadays, objects can also be filled using AI tools, but most of them are paid. So today we will work using a fully manual method, only with Photoshop tools. And believe me, this method is very simple and effective. If you follow the video till the end, you will be able to use the clone stamp tool with full confidence. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Smiling face with smiling eyes.